Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss 8th class first lesson. What was that, Nana? Reading and analysis of maps, right? In this lesson, already we discussed what is the maps, how the maps were the form, how is the maps made by the Sumerians, all those things, Greeks, Romans, Indians, Arabs. Already all these things we discussed, right? Now in this lecture we are then going to discuss how maps are used in our ages. Their ages they used for the temple lands, all those things. For the then how maps were used in our ages. See here in the map, colonization, exploration, and military uses. When these are what they use, Nana, they can use at least this much of the colonizations. The map were used. Why? Because the Romans and the Greeks they thought they has to reach the coastal areas. They has to reach the coastal areas. When they reach the coastal areas, but they didn't know how much big place these are. So that's why in the scene it shows the India is smaller than Sri Lanka. India is smaller than Sri Lanka. Only they reach here the coastal area and they sold their what they made and what these are. They can sold their things, right? They can sold their things and they can buy the raw materials from here. Then after that they thought, oh, this is the India. This is the India and India has this much and India located in this side. Then all European came one by one. Then they started the colonies. Not only India, all over especially European countries, they were much advanced in the all over world. But the European countries colonized Asia and Africa. And USA also one of the colonized by the British. Right? Do you know that the USA and 13 states they are colonized by the Britishers. See, the maps were used for the colonization. What is mean by colonization? The one country who went to another country and established their political power. One country, X country, is a X country and went to the Y country. If they go to the Y country and here establish their political power, this is called colonization. The exploration, due to the map, because of the map, the exploration will happen. Where are these continents? Where are the island? Where are those things? Where they located and the what we can say the hotspot. What is mean hotspot in the sense? Where are the big forests were there? The natural resources are the including in the forest, right? So these are the exploration they found by the maps and the military uses. This is the important. The military uses. See, you can see here. If the terrain is very big, these are the mountains. You can see these are the mountains. These are the mountains were there. See, when they come, if they want to occupy one country, if you want to occupy the one place, if the maps were there and this kind of the terrain were there, then they might be thought they can choose another place. See, that's why this kind of the military, for the maps are used for the military purpose. Where are the military were located? You can see many places also. See, this is not the place. So here is a bunker. Here is a bunker. Bunker means they dig from they dig the land and the soldier there they can shelter in the land. So this is a bunker and here is a military base camp. And here is a river. For suppose here is a river. Then what we thought this might be the opposition. There is the rivalry. Those are the enemies. They can easily identify through the using by the map. So where are the bunkers is located? Where are the base camp is there? So where should we bomb? And when should we can eliminate our enemies? So these all are things are located in the used by the maps. So these are our ancient. See what we are using. The uses of map in our time. In this our time, after we get in the generation by generation, what we used? We use the trade. And the selling. So in our ancient also they also use for the trade, right? Isn't it? There is no doubt they use for the trade. But in the more convincing way, we are used by the trade. So here, this is the India, actual India. This is the what we call it today Akhanda Bharat, all those things. See, this is the actual we are the Indian. See, there the many Britishers and the Alexander also came from the here the Babylonian the way they are the Babylonian here. So here this. See, this is the only one way to the came to the our from the trade. Then after but this is the only the part. But after this what will happen in our use? We also use the by the using by the sailing, by using by the what we done by using by the sea, say by using by the ocean is the seaway. When we have got found in seaway nana 1498 by whom? Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama in Goa also where is the railway station was there in 1498. See these are the for the sail and the trade and the sailing. Sailing means the going through on the water, going through the by ship or by the act all those things, right? Sailing. Then we can find the rainfall and groundwater and rivers also. We can separate create if this is the ground, if this is the ground. See, here is the Masinram and Cherrapunji. What is meant by Masinram, Cherrapunji? These are located in the Seven Sisters. We can say Meghalaya. This Masinram and Cherrapunji is the wettest place in the world. Wettest place in the world. All over the world, we will be receive the water here. Here 1124 approximately. I am not perfect in the figure. 1124 millimeters. Millimeters rainfall will be occur in the Masinram and Cherrapunji. See here the all those we can see the Masinram and Cherrapunji. So here is the Aravali, the mountain Aravali mountain. Here you can see the mountain Aravali. And here is the what is Nana? This is the Thar Desert. This is the Thar Desert. This is the wettest place in the world and this is the driest place in the India. This is the driest place in the India. So due to this we can easily say where are the most rainfall will occur, where are the not rainfall will be occur. By using map we can show is a very clearly. But due to the in picture we can't show. By using a map we can show very clearly. By the groundwater also. By the geologist. If the geologist and identify here is the groundwater is fully there, and then it comes here is groundwater not there, here is not. So in the future, if you want to dig, in some area also we can find some only very rare petroleum in Assam around there. Why? Because these are the Assam in the Brahmaputra river flow over there. So we can see the only the found very kind of the petrol. So by using the map, where are the petrol, where are the groundwater is found, this is all kind of by we can use by the map we can easily identify. And rivers also. In rivers also you can see easily. If you see the movie of Bahubali, then will be showing the when the title then will be perfectly shown. This is another one is kingdom, this is another kingdom, this is the river and this is the waterfall, right? So by using by the map, we can easily say these are the river is the river Godavari. We can say here is a Basar. This kind of example. All those things by using the map we can easily identify. And there will be a separate river maps also over there. Maps are created by the separate also. See here the India, right? For this map meaning our answer was what? This is India. This is the river Ganga, Yamuna, right? This kind of the tributaries. This is the Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi. These all kind of. So we can see that these are the rivers. By the using by map, we can easily say that how many rivers were there, where can they float, and where there can be marked. This can be. So we can easily say by using by the map. And the tube wells. Do you know the tube wells now? Tube wells. Everyone knows that. By the using by map, where are the tube wells were located? These all things we can see. The tube wells in our ancient times we can easily bring by the water. Bring by the water by using by the tube wells. See the tube wells and the planning and the development and also the agriculture development. By the using map we can agriculture. Why? Because we have different soils. We have the different soil. In the red soil you can easily use the paddies. You can easily grow the paddies. In the black soil you can easily grow the cotton. But you can if you put the rivers in the red soil you can put the cotton, in the black soil you can put the paddy. There will be no result. There will be no result. So by the using map, the where can the which soil we get the perfect, which when this is perfect we can easily use. Find by using by the common companies and their it? Do you know any idea? Data. This is the main important, and everyone has to know the data privacy in the all over the world except our Indians. Why? Because we don't have our much sense. Why? Because everything we using we giving the permission, but this is the most expensive data. Why? Because by using this, what kind of product you have to buy, what kind of product you have to use, everything by the decided. Everything has to be decided by the third person, by the using by the third person. But you don't know. But okay, let it be. So the using by the map, the company they can put the work where, where can be we use the establish our company, all those things by using the maps, right? And the network. See, in the network also, by the using that in the hill station, which kind of network has to be established? You know some kind of when you go to one place to another place in the hill station, you can't receive the network properly. So that's why if there is a hill station, there is low station. The company by the using by the company with the thought. So if we put here in the one tower, this tower will be control this all this area. If you put tower is even only down area, this only cover will not cover this area, this person. So that's why by the using by the map, the company they can establish and they can improve the towers and the well signaling also. And the reading map and the thematic maps. What are these? The thematical map in the particular one we can say is the thematical map in the particular one person. We can say the particular one person, not one person, is the particular one topic that we put. Thematical map in established particular one topic. Where are the language spoken, which language spoken, and what is the literacy rate, all those things. The nature of the terrain, and we can easily say that hilly or rocks or plain, all those things. We can easily say by the using by the map. These are the reading maps. And the political map by the use of state, capital, right, mandals, village, all those things. We all are the considered in the political map. We can easily consider the state, mandal, village, all those things we can consider political map. But when it comes to physical map, mountains, right? Which are the mountains, rocks, plateaus, plains. If these all are considered in the physical map, in here we can't show you can open the Google map, there will be same. There is a terrain map will be there. First time is the terrain map, and second if you change the satellite map, they will be located in the political and physical map. So these are the reading and the thematical map. In thematical maps have a different color. We will discuss in the next session. Thank you.